Maybelline just launched a new BB cream with SPF 50 that provides sun protection, skincare and makeup in one step. Sounds convenient, but does it actually perform on the skin? And more importantly, how does it hold up throughout the day? Let's find out. So here is the outer packaging of the new Maybelline BB cream, and it comes in squeezy tube packaging. It retails for rupees 429. You get 25 ml of quantity and you just get 9 shades. Well, Maybelline has always been disaster with their shade range because I never found my perfect or closest match in their Fit Me range, and this is what has happened with me this time also. I picked up the shade 50 for me. Let's see whether it is going to suit my skin tone or not. You can see my face is darker than my neck, so I always love to match my foundation with my neck. This is completely a first impression. I haven't tried out this product in any ways. That's how the shade looks like. Too light, right? But trust the process. So this has a neutral undertone with lot of beige tones to it. Now I'll take some on the brush. I'm using my Pro Arte PF66 brush and I'll try and blend out this BB cream. Let me tell you, I have already color corrected my skin, used a separate SPF because I don't trust a tinted sunscreen to give me a sun protection. If you blend out with a brush, it gives a pretty decent coverage, like light coverage, and if you want you can even blend out with your fingers. That is going to give you a sheer coverage. Looking at the ingredients, this BB cream uses chemical sunscreen filters like Homosalate, Octisalate and Octocrylene for SPF protection, along with titanium dioxide for a bit of extra coverage. It also includes skincare ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E for hydration and antioxidant support. And the tint and smooth finish comes from pigments and silicones which help even out the skin tone. I had taken 2 squeeze of this BB cream to complete my entire face. I am absolutely loving this glow on my dry skin, but for oily skin this will be little too much because by the end of the day it will get more glowy and more oily. It feels absolutely lightweight, hydrating and moisturizing because this has niacinamide, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. I can see that it has slightly blurred my pores, though I haven't used any kind of primer, because if you love to use a BB cream or tinted moisturizer for your daily use, you will not use a primer. You want something really convenient that you can just slap it on your face with your finger and you are out of the house. There is no brush strokes whatsoever. I have got some dry patches and it has not clinged onto that, and it went on very smoothly. The shade is also a perfect match. You can see it's matching my neck pretty well now that the shade has settled down on my skin, and I think it has oxidized slightly. I'm surely going to give you the oxidation test once we proceed with the video. I'm absolutely loving the finish on my skin. It doesn't feel heavy at all. So let me complete the rest of my face makeup and I shall be right back. So guys, here I am after completing my entire face makeup and the glow is unreal. I did set the center of my face ever so slightly where my skin is going to get oily. Basically it's my T-zone area, and the rest of my face I kept as it is. Now if you're someone who doesn't love this much of glow going on, you can set your entire face, and whatever product I laid on top of this BB cream just went on smoothly, effortlessly. I did not notice any kind of patchiness, splotchiness or lifting my base makeup. Even after completing my makeup, it feels absolutely lightweight and there is no greasiness, no heaviness. My skin feels hydrated and nourished at the same time. The shade match is perfect. When I see in the mirror and also in the viewfinder, it is giving a very even toned skin. Though it has SPF 50, I did not notice any kind of white cast or flashback. Also, don't forget to check the ingredient list, because if you're someone who is sensitive or allergic to certain ingredient, then you should think twice before getting this BB cream. So this is a hybrid between a tinted sunscreen and a BB cream, and for 429 rupees, I couldn't have asked for more. I have recorded the oxidation test for you guys. You can check it out. It does oxidize ever so slightly after an hour, but the undertone stays neutral warm and it actually blends quite well with my neck. Okay guys, it's now 5 PM, so this BB cream has had a good 5 hours of wear on my dry, matured skin on a hot sunny March day. It went through heat, sweat and humidity, but I didn't notice any melting and even my sweat didn't look cloudy. It hasn't settled into my fine lines or clung to dry patches, and although my skin did get a bit oily, which is normal, everything is still in place. I didn't even use a primer and still it's holding up well. So So this BB cream definitely gets my approval. So that's my first impression of the new Maybelline Fit Me BB cream. I would love to know what you guys think about it. Would you actually try it or skip it? And also, do you prefer a BB cream like this or a proper foundation for your everyday makeup? Let me know down in the comments and I shall see you in my next one.